Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel ALV English Classes. Here I am going to teach you all the chapters of 7th class English of DAV school, and this is the first chapter of English practice book article. This is the introduction class, and after this class I will teach all the worksheets of your book. So first of all, we will understand what is article and what are the examples, how you will use article. This is the basic things. So now come to the point. What is article in English grammar? Answer is it is a determiner. Then suddenly it comes to our mind that what is determiner? Determiner is, it determines the position or importance of noun. So article is a noun related word. It is always used before noun. So this is the basic things about article. So the example, we have only 3 articles, that is a and the. So only 3 articles we have, and we will learn about these 3 articles and where we will use these 3 articles and how we will use. Okay. So first I have divided this article into 2 parts so that we can understand what is the use of these articles. So first thing, article divided into 2 parts. First is indefinite article and second is definite article. So indefinite, under indefinite article we have a and under definite article we have the. So use before indefinite noun a and, we will use before indefinite noun. So all we know about the noun, so we will use a and before indefinite noun where the noun is not definite. So first example is a boy. Here a refers to no definite, that means boy is not definite. It is any boy, any person, we don't know about this boy, only there is a boy, that means it is a boy, a normal, a common person. Another way a is used in singular noun, we can say a single person. Here person in singular, and a mean any. Okay, a means any person. First thing. Second, it is singular, a boy, not boys, a boy, that means one boy is there. A pen, that means one pen is there. So it is about indefinite. So now come to definite. So definite is the. So the use before definite noun. So example is the reason. Reason is a noun. Here the means particular reason. So the refers to the reason is particular. It is a particular reason. So next example, the moon. Use before heavenly body. Moon is a heavenly body, like the sun, the star, all the heavenly body. Before heavenly body you will use the definite article. Next, the weather. Here weather, that is specific. So weather refers to specific, the specific noun. The magician. Here the, that signify the magician is a particular magician. It is a definite noun, particular magician. Like that, the fort refer to a particular fort. Okay, in this video we have this much information about article. So in the next video I will teach you about another article an, and also I will explain you all the worksheets of your chapters in your chapter that article. Thank you.